breathing practice is a balancing breath. So if you're feeling jangled and overwhelmed and stressed, it can help to calm you down. You're feeling a little bit stuck and listless and lethargic, it can help to lift you up. And it's actually a variation of alternate nostril breathing. But if you're feeling stuffy in your nose, or if you find having your hand to your face is a little bit claustrophobic, this can be a really useful alternative. So you need to just have your hands resting onto your thighs or onto your knees with your palms upward. If you can imagine that you're going to be breathing through the palms of your hands, the breath is flowing from one hand to the other hand. It's really simple to do. Now I'm just going to talk you through it. So you'll get one round with me talking, and then we'll carry on in your own time. So to begin with, you just need to draw in your right fingertips. So your right hand is gently closed, softly closed. Feel your hips. It's important to have a sense of being grounded and supported before you begin. Relax your shoulders. You can turn your gaze down towards the ground. Maybe your eyes closed. Feel the flow and the rhythm of your breath. When you breathe in, imagine the breath is drawing in through your left hand, and slowly gather your fingertips in as though you're drawing that breath inwards. When you breathe out, open your right hand as though you're letting the breath move out through the center of the palm. Breathe in and draw your right fingertips in as though you're drawing that breath into your right hand. When you breathe out, open your left hand as though you're letting the breath move away through the palm of your hand. And just keep flowing with your own natural, regular breathing, one breath at a time. It's going to be your last round. And you finish by breathing out and opening your left hand. And when your breathing takes you to that place, then let both hands relax. Stay focused on the flow of your breath, But this time, imagine that you're breathing through both hands. The breath balancing between your hands. And in your own time, let your gaze come back into the center of the room. You might give your hands a stretch.